Good evening, friends. Namaskar. I'm architect Prachi, and you are watching my channel Interiors with Prachi. Today, I will share what I learned about blue color in my interior practice of 30 years. I hope with these tips you can use them effectively in your interior decor. Our guest speaker today is Pradeep Athavale, PhD Psychology. He will tell us about power of blue color and which room it is suitable for according to psychology.
And the second expert speaker of today is Mahavastu consultant Avinash Gokhale. He will tell us about where to use blue color as per Vastu Shastra.
Hi, I'm architect Prachi and you've been watching my channel Interiors with Prachi. If you find the tips in these videos useful and beneficial, definitely share it with your friends so that they get benefited too. Also like and subscribe our channel. It is very important to us to know that you like it. Also write in the comment box below why you like it and how you were benefited by the tips we have given you. Keep watching.
Blue. Sky blue, the fifth color in the rainbow, the lightest color. I feel this is the only pastel shade in rainbow colors. All other colors shine bright in the rainbow. Till now, you saw what we designed in bright colors. Today, I'll get a chance to show you our work in pastel blue shades. You can surely visit our website to see other works in the pastel shade. When we hear blue, the first thing that comes to our mind is sky and sea. Both have no limit. The best color to make room look bigger is blue. The color psychology also works here. The person relates the blue color with sky and gets the feeling of spaciousness in the blue room. We thought, why not bring a little sky inside? We tried this blue texture paint on ceiling to depict the sky and it was a big hit. All the visitors here appreciate this blue ceiling. हमने सोचा थोड़ा सा आसमां का ये टुकड़ा घर के अंदर भी ले आए. हमने इस ब्लू कलर के टेक्सचर पेंट का सीलिंग के ऊपर प्रयोग किया और ये सबको बहुत भाता है. जो भी यहाँ आता है इस टेक्सचर पेंट सीलिंग पे लगाने की आइडिया की तारीफ करता है. You can also try a texture paint or a wallpaper on a patch of false ceiling. A light blue color, very pastel shade can be applied to the ceiling and that looks great too. आप भी ये ट्राई कर सकते हैं. टेक्सचर पेंट या वॉलपेपर को अपने सीलिंग के किसी हिस्से पे लगाइए या तो ब्लू आसमानी कलर अपने सीलिंग को लगाइए. ये बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. This blue texture paint was selected for a reception and waiting lounge for a HR company. There were two reasons behind this. The company provides candidates overseas. The blue color depicts ocean and the world map over it clearly gives the signals to the viewers that they provide internationally. Second reason is to make the room look spacious. ये नीला टेक्सचर पेंट समुंदर दर्शाता है और उसके ऊपर का वर्ल्ड मैप ये दर्शाता है कि ये कंपनी इंटरनेशनली पूरे दुनिया में काम करती है. ब्लू कलर के कारण ये रूम बड़ा भी दिखता है. These two examples don't mean that blue color is used only for small rooms. It is also used for large offices. This particular computer department has lot of stressful work and they have long working hours. Blue color is associated with peace. The sky blue color help when you are working for long hours. I'll advise to add some greenery for better results with this color. इसका ये मतलब कतई नहीं दोस्तों कि स्काई ब्लू कलर या आकाशी कलर सिर्फ छोटी जगह में इस्तेमाल होता है. यह रंग बड़ी जगहों में भी इस्तेमाल होता है. इस फोटो में जो आप ऑफिस देख रहे हैं ये एक कंप्यूटर डिपार्टमेंट है. यहाँ पे काफ़ी लंबे समय तक लोग काम करते हैं और काफ़ी स्ट्रेसफुल काम करते हैं। इस नीले रंग के कारण इन लोगों को मनःशांति मिलती है और काम करने में आराम होता है। नीला रंग आपके रक्तचाप को नीचे गिरा देता है। यह परम शांति का रंग है। इसीलिए जहाँ बड़ा स्ट्रेस वाला काम होता है वहाँ इस रंग का प्रयोग ज़रूर करना चाहिए। Sky blue color helps in bringing down the blood pressure. Hence, it should definitely be used where people work under a lot of stress, and of course, some greenery should be added too. That's the reason why we use blue laminate along with white laminates for this office in Bandra. This combination looks very, very elegant. Do you agree? Let us know in the comment box below this video. Every office needs lots of storage space for their files. It often looks very bulky. Here we designed overhead filing cabinet with back painted glass shutters in ice blue color. The glass material and ice blue color both make it look very light. The small staff area looks spacious because of this color. If we would have taken the shutters in transparent glass, we could see through it and it would look shabby if the files are not kept properly. If dark color was used for shutters, it would have looked very heavy. Same with the wooden tones. So according to us, this was the ideal color for the overhead filing storage. We designed this for two brothers. They both like earthen colors and European color scheme. We chose slightly darker shade plain laminate to highlight and bring out the sky blue color in this Royal Touch laminate. Our today's expert speaker, Pradeep Athawale, is PhD in psychology. He has studied colors deeply. He will tell us today about the power of blue color and where we can use it.
Hello friends, this is Dr. Pradeep Athawale from Dombivli, Mumbai. I'm a counselor. I've done PhD in psychology. Psychology plays a very important role in our day-to-day life, as well as the different colors surrounding us that creates a very positive energy. For example, say blue color. Blue color, it gives cooling effect, calming effect, which is suggested for your bedroom. Even blue color, it gives you undisturbed sleep and it gives you a positive energy. So, always think blue color for your bedroom. Think positive. Thank you very much.
This bedroom was designed for a granny. We chose sky blue color theme for her. This color gives her peace and calm, very essential at this age. यह कमरा हमने एक दादी जी के लिए बनवाया। आसमानी रंग मन को शांति और सुकून देता है। खासकर बुजुर्ग लोगों के लिए इस रंग का प्रयोग अवश्य करना चाहिए। I fell in love with this room in Blansko. We had such a tiring journey while reaching there, but this blue room was so peaceful, it refreshed us within no time. हम ब्लांस्को में इस सुंदर रूम में ठहरे थे। हम बड़े थक कर यहाँ पहुँचे, लेकिन इस नीले रूम में हमारी थकान देखते ही देखते दूर भगा दी। Blue is the color of sky and sea. It is often associated with depth and stability. It symbolizes trust, loyalty, wisdom, confidence, intelligence, faith, truth, and heaven. Isn't it a very long list? It is also considered beneficial to the mind and body. That is why you will find blue color used in interiors at lot of places. नीले रंग के साथ स्नेह, सौजन्य, शांति और पवित्रता जैसी प्रवृत्तियां जुड़ी है। इसीलिए सृष्टिकर्ता ने विश्व में नीला रंग सर्वाधिक रखा है। हमारे सर के ऊपर विस्तृत अनंत नीले वर्ण का आकाश है और नीचे सृष्टि में समुद्र तथा सरिताओं में नीले रंग का आधिक्य है। We did this interior few years back in Parla East, Mumbai. Here the bedroom size was so tiny that our obvious choice was white and aqua blue color scheme. Luckily, aqua color was client's favorite color, so we used it extensively in this project. The curved lines with aqua color make our eyes flow in the entire room very easily. हमने पार्ला में इस इंटीरियर को कुछ साल पहले बनाया। इस बेडरूम का साइज इतना छोटा था कि हम इस रूम के लिए आसमानी रंग के अलावा दूसरा कोई कलर सोच ही नहीं सके। ये अच्छा हुआ कि हमारे क्लाइंट को भी आसमानी कलर सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद था। We are going to give you some more tips about sky blue color. Hope you are getting valuable information. If you are liking this video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel. Now let's watch further tips on this color.
Our second expert speaker of today, Mr. Avinash Gokhale. He is Mahavastu consultant and he will tell us where and how to use blue color in our house as per the Vastu.
मी महावास्तू आर्किटेक्ट, जिओपॅथिसिस कन्सल्टंट आणि ऑरा रीडर अविनाश गोखले. घरामध्ये जेव्हा तुम्ही इंटिरियर डिझायनिंग करता त्यावेळी निळा रंग कुठे वापरू शकतो याबद्दल आपण आता बोलू. वायव्येपासून ते ईशान्येपर्यंतचा भाग हा जलतत्वाचा म्हणजे निळ्या रंगाचा मानला गेला आहे. सौम्य निळ्यापासून डार्क निळ्यापर्यंत कुठली छटा आपण निवडू शकता. इथे कुठली लाल ऑरेंज रंगाची वस्तू नसावी, कारण निळा रंग हा येणाऱ्या सुसंधी दर्शवणारा असतो. त्याचबरोबर इथे भिंत नसून खिडकी जर आली तर त्या खिडकीला निळ्या रंगाचा पडदा लावावा. धन्यवाद.
I love this intricate work done in sky blue color by the Indian artists. You can keep them in the showcase or hang them on wall. Both will look equally elegant and charming. We get very pretty sky blue color pottery, artifacts and curtains in the market. We can use them to bring sky blue color in our interiors. Just go to the market and look for few. मार्केट में आपको आसमानी रंग की कई सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएगी जिसे आप अपना घर सजाने के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. The kitchens are usually not done in aqua color. White and blue are difficult to maintain too. But this client of ours has maintained it very well even after so many years. Here we used these colors as we wanted the room to look spacious despite of having lots and lots of furniture. ज़्यादातर आसमानी रंग का प्रयोग किचन में नहीं किया जाता. यह अग्नि तत्व के बराबर विरुद्ध कलर है, लेकिन यह रंग हमने यहाँ इसीलिए इस्तेमाल किया कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारा फर्नीचर था और हम चाहते थे कि इतना सारा फर्नीचर होने के बावजूद किचन हमें बड़ा दिखे.
Hi, if you like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to watch the other videos in this playlist. Like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
We will be talking about indigo color in our next video. Click on the notification icon so that you will not miss our next video. Bye for today.